Okay, hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Chloe, and this is Chloe and Bree's channel. Even though it's an R on it, it's my brother's. Well, it's my brother's YouTube account, but I just use it as a channel. And we are going to be showing you how to make slime. So, first thing first. This glue is not Elmer's, but we did have Elmer's and we made this with Elmer's glue. So I'm going to be showing you how to make slime the easy peasy way. Well, yeah, 3 different ways. If we have enough glue. But anyways, okay. Let's just put water, and that's the solution. Okay, so you get some glue. Then you mix baking soda with boiling or hot water. Preferably, I used mine in a microwave. So I cooked it for 2 minutes. Or not cooked. I put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. And yeah, got it like this. So, we use Elmer's and Jots. I got this from Family Dollar, and I got Elmer's from Michael's. Michael's is, so we live in Chicago, and Michael's is not that far away from us. It's like 20 minutes away, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, so it's 20 minutes away from us, so yeah. Ew. Yeah, and we're not professionals. Not professionals at all. Not at all. Make our slime crazy. Okay, so this is the slime that we made, just like the way I'm showing you right now. I'm gonna tip over. No, I don't want it on my hand. No, there you go, slime. Hold on, I have too much stuff in my hand. Yeah, thank you. Like that, so just like that. So. Now, let's get making slime. No, we're not making. We are not making messes. That one is good. That one is the best one. You just have to make some animals and dot with it.
Oh no.
There's yours. Huh? I said that was hers.
It's wet.
Oh. No. Okay. I have to save some glue because, okay, so this is how my glue looks. It's not really that much because I have to make you, I'm going to show you one more way to make it after this. So, next. Okay. So next, you get a spoon and then, wait 1 second. The things you will be needing for this is glue, something to mix with, something to mix in, contact solution, baking soda, hot water, and that's it. So now, after you have your glue in the container, now you pour a little bit of this in here and put that down. Then stir it a little bit. Now you put the baking soda and water, which you have already mixed together, in here. And then mix. Now after you mix, you start pouring the contact solution. You could, do not use borax. Borax will burn your fingers. Come on. Come on. It's supposed to be liquidy like this when it starts. Yeah. Then you keep pouring and pouring, but this is going to take a long time. They don't see it. Alright, yeah! It's on my computer. The thing is right here.
Understand?
Yeah. Yeah, you will get views from that. Okay. After we're done, we're gonna do that. Ooh, come on.
I like this one, Clay.
That one is a good one.
Now I don't know which one I like better, my glitter one or this one.
I should say that one. Then we will be showing you the signs we have been making before. And go and follow the channel named Chloe Slimes, because that's our new channel. Like slowly if you have a little container like this. Oh my, it's not working. Maybe I have to add more of this. Yeah, okay. Make sure you add all of your baking soda and your baking soda and water that you mixed. Go, if you have Musically, go and follow Wizard Dancers, Weeza Dancers. That's WESSA, like the little line thing on the bottom, and then it's Dancers, then another line thing at the end. Oh, come on. It's working, it just takes so long. Why the video is so long? Hashtag slime. Shoutouts to It's Me. It's just me. Oh my god. It is not ready until you scrape everything off. Like there's nothing on the sides. It kind of where mine is like. And it's just slippery. I just with dollar store slime. This is dollar store slime versus Elmer's glue. Glue farm. Ugh, it's wet. Ugh. Okay. You have to hurry. Because I spent 9 minutes making the first slime. Okay. If you have clear glue, like clear Elmer's glue, it will be it'll be clear on the in a few days if you let it sit. Wow, that was really unfortunate. So the slime is gonna be in the container. This is so wet. Look. Oh,
It is shiny.
Right. Next slime. So, oh my. Okay, so ingredients and stuff you need. So, container, something to mix with, Tide, or I prefer Tide. Tide for the best line. Do not. I swear, do not use borax. That will burn. So, and then guess what? Jot glue. So, oh my god. Okay, there's my glue. And all I have to do, put this in there. Don't put too much there. Come on, what are you doing? Come on. Okay. Now, mix. Ow. Yeah, hang now. Okay. Oh my god. Yeah, cannibalism going animalistic in the line of civilians. These niggas clones, copycats, and chameleons. Once they dead and gone, no paraphernalia. When she left a thong, that's paraphernalia. Sound familiar? My Clark Sicilian. He the one who told me that's the times you gotta leave your life familiar. Behind the millions, rhyme a reason. I'm the reason that their eyes wide but too blind to see it. With friends like those, it made me text all my enemies and tell them I don't need them. Hallelujah, how intruders. Bitch walking around my house like hooters. Do not use that glue. It does not work. Just use Elmer's. It will turn out like that. Now I'm mad. You okay? Enough? I just added a bunch of glue. Yeah, don't use that glue. Waste. I got a Greek freak, she call me Uncle Takumpo, just follow the Kupo, and I know that you know I'm hotter than sushi, still swallow my soup bowl, I'm out of my loophole, you out of the loophole. This is how it turns out, so do not use jot. Oh my god, that's so do not use jot glue. Don't use jot glue, don't. I got a hand.
You should show them the other ones made.
Okay.
And then you should show them the clear one too.
So, luckily it did not stick. So, this is the one that me.
It's got a lot of bubbles.
You have to introduce yourself.
Come. This is your channel. I'll just be in the background.
You're gonna be the filmer.
It'll be like, you ever watch the Proud Family show?
Yeah.
Like Oscar Proud, you never see his face? Not Oscar, but the other guy?
Yeah.
The coach. Or the
Yeah.
principal.
I've only watched the movie.
Oh.
I haven't watched the episodes. I watched the movie with Tinky.
Mm.
Okay, test. Will it poke? Do not poke like this. It's supposed to be like this. That's the one that we made, me and my future sister-in-law. It's the one that we made. This was so good. This was with Jot Glue. Jot Glue does not work with detergent, just to let you know. But this is with Jot Glue and Clear Glue, so I don't know. Hashtag slime. Hashtag slime if you're watching this. Okay. I should do a video reacting to Lil Pump. It's this song artist named Lil Pump. You wanna do it? It's this like reacting to famous songs. Wanna do it? You can stay over there though. Yeah, I'm just saying. Okay, I gotta end this video. Here, you wanna hold it? Here's this line. It's gonna take too long. And this line. This is with Elmer's. Don't say anything about containers, okay? Keep this container over there. Okay, so